Powerful laptop need not be bulky and they can be unassumingly thin, light and compact as the new ASUS Zenbook 2018 series just released by ASUS in India. I have the Zenbook UX333F, but I have also played a bit with the 14 and 15-inch model. In this video, let me talk to you about this 13-inch model and let's find out if this is good enough for your usage or not. Hey guys, it's Girid there for G-Phone Tech. Let's get started. The new Zenbook 2018 UX333 is as small as an A4 size paper and yet it has a 13-inch display. This small laptop packs in a powerful hardware specification. It is less than 1.2 kg in weight and it is just 169 mm thin, and literally it has a smaller footprint than an A4 size paper. To carry around this laptop, you need a heavy laptop bag. In fact, you can carry it in a very small messenger bag or a handbag. Though it is small, it has a sturdy metal finish on the top lid with iconic ASUS concentric ring pattern. It looks stylish and yet a sturdy laptop. The hinges are firm and the lid has no flex at all. This laptop conforms to military standards and has been tested to survive altitude, pressure, temperature, humidity, drop, shock and vibration testing. This is the smallest laptop in the 13-inch segment with a powerful hardware and a stylish design. Unlike the Apple products, the ASUS Zenbook still retains a whole bunch of ports. On the right, it has a 3.5mm port, USB 2.0 port and a micro SD card reader. On the left, there is a USB-C port, USB 3.0 port, micro HDMI and the DC port for charging. The speakers are at the bottom, but opening up the lid, their base rises to an angle to reveal the speaker and the air vents. The sound output from the speaker is not so loud, but this Harman Kardon tuned speaker has a very rich sound signature. It has good frequency separation and the sound feels rich and full. It does not have fingerprint sensor, but it has a HD webcam and IR sensors above the display for face unlock. Face unlock is incredibly fast, accurate and reliable under most lighting conditions. The keys are well spaced out and have good travel distance. The keyboard is backlit and the intensity can also be controlled. I found it very comfortable to type on the keyboard. The trackpad is huge and it is responsive as well. The trackpad is one of a kind. It can be converted into a number key by hitting the capacitive button on the corner. The trackpad can still be used as a trackpad when it is in the number keypad mode. This is a unique and very useful feature. The ASUS Zenbook UX333 has a Full HD IPS LCD panel. The bezels around the display are very thin and it gives a screen to body ratio of over 95%, which is the highest I have seen in any laptop till date. The color representation on the display is accurate. It has good brightness levels and viewing angles. It is not a touch display, but the display is well suited for office and media consumption. It is one of the best laptop displays I have seen on a 13-inch form factor. ASUS Zenbook UX333 FN comes with an option of Intel Core i7 or i5 processor. It has 8GB of DDR3 RAM and either 512GB or 256GB of SSD storage. It has a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 2GB DDR5 graphics card and the hardware is impressive on papers. It also gives you a smooth performance in real life as well. I installed all of my usual software and a few heavy games on this laptop for testing. The performance was smooth and the maximum heat I recorded was around 65 degrees Celsius while rendering a 4K video. The PUBG gameplay was not exactly smooth, but I was able to play. The fan noise was very low. The SSD read-write speed was impressive. Wi-Fi was fast thanks to ASUS Wi-Fi Master technology, MU-MIMO capable dual-band Wi-Fi for speeds up to 1734 Mbps. Overall, this is a reliable performer for anyone who needs a workhorse on the go. This lightweight ASUS Zenbook 13 comes with a 50-watt 3-cell lithium polymer battery. Once charged, this laptop lasts between 9 to 10 hours of intensive usage. I found it very impressive and again it is one of the best battery performance I have seen in a 13-inch laptop. Should you buy it or not? The ASUS Zenbook 13 with 8th generation i5 processor and 256GB SSD has been launched at a price of Rs 71,990, while the ASUS Zenbook 13 with 8th generation i5 processor, MX 150 GPU and 512GB SSD has been launched for Rs 88,990, and that is the review unit I have with me. It is available in two color variants, Royal Blue and Icicle Silver. The 2018 Zenbook 13 is an engineering marvel. It is compactly designed, powerful laptop with a unique trackpad which can be converted into a number pad as well. The Nano Edge display is a treat to the eyes, and this portable laptop as an ultra small form factor not just has a style factor but also a reliable performance. Though I have seen nothing like it in the market, this is a far better choice compared to 13-inch MacBook Air. Zenbook 2018 is also available in 14 and 15-inch sizes. 14-inch UX333 FA with 8th generation i5 processor and 256GB SSD has been launched at Rs 72,990, while the Zenbook 14 with 8th generation i5 processor and MX150 GPU and a 512GB SSD is priced at Rs 89,990. The most powerful variant is the Zenbook 15-inch variant with 16GB of RAM, 8th generation i7 processor, GTX 1050 and 1TB of SSD, and that is priced at Rs 1,40,000. These laptops will be available on Flipkart and all of ASUS authorized retail channels. If you are interested in buying any of them, link to buy them is in the description below. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to watch more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel G Phone Tech. I'll catch up with you on the next video. Until then, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.